Stuck with the Chakra JavaScript Engine DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we walk through the Chakra JavaScript Engine troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This DLL file is the core JavaScript Engine library originally developed for Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer. It provides high-performance script execution and JT compilation for web-based services and native Windows applications. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This is a Windows integrity issue involving a protected system file. Use an administrator command prompt to run sfc/scan now and allow Windows to automatically repair files like the Chakra JavaScript Engine DLL. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Chakra JavaScript Engine file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of the Chakra JavaScript Engine DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining the Chakra JavaScript Engine. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for the Chakra JavaScript Engine, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.